Hi, myself Jyotishwaran from Biomedical Department. In this oral presentation, my topic is travel I cherish the most. Okay, let's see. So, the introduction is see, the travel I cherish is there are so many lot of places in India to travel. Okay, so basically, travel is means the tourism. So, tourism is a travel for recreational, leisure, family, and business purpose, usually for a limited duration. We can see tourism is commonly associated with transnational travel, but may also refer to travel to another location within the same country. Temporary short-term movement of people to destination outside their resident places. There are some forms of tourism. So first, domestic tourism. Domestic tourism is tourism involving residents of one country traveling only within that country. Inbound tourism is the incoming tourism is also known as the inbound tourism. Incoming tourism means travelers arriving in different countries from their own. Outbound tourism. Outbound tourism refers to residents to travel outside their own home country. So, why I cherish traveling in India is the most because the strength of India for tourism is the country of rich heritage and traditions, having a vast and variety history. Places of ancient civilization and settlements dating back to several centuries present in India. Unity in diversity, that is multicultural peoples staying together in the same country, one of the fastest growing economies of the world. So India has been maintaining a good and a cordial relationship with the different countries, which helps the people of those countries to get the visa easily to visit India. And my opinion, the top 10 tourist destination in India is number 1 is Agra. So all of you will know about this. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and one of 3 world heritage sites in Agra. So number 2 is Jaipur. It's a very famous tourist and education destination in India. It is also popularly known as Pink City, capital of the Indian state called Rajasthan. Number 3 is Goa. It is famous for its pristine beaches. In fact, 90% of all the tourism in Goa happens only for its beaches in coastal area. Goa has 2 main tourist seasons, winter and summer. Number 4 is Kashmir. Kashmir was once called a heaven on earth and once of the most beautiful places in the world. And number 5, Kanyakumari is especially popular in India for its spectacular and unique sunrise and sunset. Number 6 is Kerala. Backwaters, you can also call. So Kerala, situated on the lush and tropical Malabar coast, is one of the most popular tourist destination in India, named as one of the 10 paradises of the world. Number 7 is Old Delhi. Delhi, capital of India, has many attractions like mosques, forts and other monuments that represent India's history. The important places in Old Delhi include majestic Red Fort. Number 8 is Ajanta Ellora. It is a 2830 rock-cut cave monuments created during the 1st century BC and 5th century AD, containing paintings and sculptures considered masterpieces of both Buddhist religious art and universal pictorial art. Number 9 is Darjeeling. Darjeeling in India owns its grandeur to its natural beauty, its clean, fresh mountain air all above, the smiling, resilient people for whom it is a home. And the number 10 is Mysore. Mysore is a tourism hotspot within the state of Karnataka and also acts as the base for other tourist places in the vicinity of the city. The city receives the maximum number of tourists during the period of the Dasara festival. So, thanks for watching, and in this oral presentation I just tell my opinion about what